Last weekend, I was having a walk with my father, and he asked me, should we worry about this new AI tool? Is AI going to take over the world and rule over humanity anytime soon? This question is, and some variations of it, is very common nowadays. Many people, friends, family members ask it. So I felt the need to come here and say that I do not believe that AI is going to take over the world anytime soon. Yes, the latest AI advancements are impressive. We all heard and seen in social media and even on the major media channels the impressive performance of ChatGPT-3, which is a general pre-trained language model that can easily pass the Turing test, meaning that if you chat with this new AI tool, you cannot really tell whether you're talking with a human or not. And this is very impressive by itself. But this is not enough to say that AI is going to rule the world anytime soon. This is because these tools are not smart, are not self-aware. They are just very, very good at mimicking human behavior. They have been trained on a huge amount of data, and thanks to that, for every question that we ask, they have in their sort of database a very similar situations, and they just access that and give us the most common answer that a human would have given. This enables them to perform a wide variety of tasks in a way that no AI tools could do before. But this is not enough to make them smart, really smart. What do I mean by smart? I mean that they are not able to extract some laws, some principles, some new theories from all this knowledge that they consume, and they're not able to create new knowledge. They're just very good at mimicking what humans create. So, they can be a very useful tool, and indeed sometimes, even with our clients, we suggest the usage of these tools. But they're not going to take over humanity. However, they do have risks. The European Union is very aware of those risks, and it's working on an AI Act that is intended to address some of those risks. So refer to the video about the AI Act that we'll publish soon if you want to know more about that. As a summary, we might say that these tools pose a great risk because of how humans use it, not because they are self-aware or superhuman. They can create bias, they can create discrimination, they can provide unreliable results, so they have to be used with care. And my suggestion here is do not use blindly those tools. Refer to an AI professional to know when and how to use them. So I hope I relieved some of your fears, and thank you for watching.